All right, guys, let me tell you guys, opportunity has landed though. We are opening our store, our new store at Allen, Heart of Allen. So have this in mind. If you buy anything or you do shopping of any of our product that's worth 50,000 naira, you are getting free Blend Pro 9. You are getting free whitening activator, 7 days whitening activator. So our sales is about to start. We haven't set the date yet. I will be doing this for you until the day will come. Do not forget, I said, if you need correct whitening products, this is where you come. You see our testimony everywhere. We don't need to pay celebrity to do testimony for us. All you just need to do, go to our website, just search for www.austinglobalskincare.com. all right, so have a nice day. Promo is coming, sales is coming. Get your purse ready. Just do shopping of 50k. You will get free Blend Pro 9. Bye bye.